Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a paper boat. We'll start with a simple rectangular sheet of paper. You'll fold it in half lengthwise, then bring the top corners down to create a triangle. This first step is crucial for setting up the boat's structure. It's a fun and easy craft for all ages. Next, take the top corners of your folded paper and bring them down to meet in the center, forming a triangle. Make sure your creases are sharp and precise. Then, you'll fold the two bottom flaps upwards, one on each side, to create a hat-like shape. This forms the base of your boat. Now, gently open the hat shape from the bottom center. You'll then press the sides together, flattening it into a perfect square. This step can feel a bit tricky, but take your time to ensure all corners align neatly. This transformation is key to giving your boat its three-dimensional form. For the final steps, fold the bottom corners of your square upwards, creating a smaller triangle. Repeat the opening and flattening process, turning it back into a square. Finally, gently pull the top two layers of paper apart from the center. Your paper boat will magically unfold and be ready to float.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.